In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect music to Redmi Watch 5 Lite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Watch 5 Lite from Redmi, you can easily connect any songs that you have on your device. So, to connect music or songs, albums, and so on that you have on any smartphone, you need to use the Mi Fitness application. So open the app, and I'm going to assume that you have already connected your Redmi Watch 5 Lite. If you haven't, when you download the app, you will find the device tab at the bottom. You can select it, and now you will get instructions on how to connect the device itself. After it is connected, you will find the option to import music when you go to the apps category. So tap apps under device, and then, like I said, you will see music. By choosing music, you can see anything that you have imported over. So go over to manage music, and here it is. You will see the amount of storage dedicated to the device that has been taken up by music that you've imported. And if you haven't added anything, you will see this message. Nothing here yet. Adding music uses a lot of battery. Connect your watch to the charger first, so keep that in mind. Now you can use these buttons at the top to import songs from your smartphone into the watch. When you tap either of these, you will get instructions on what to do. So import music will allow you to import music individually from a specific artist or entire albums. They are going to appear listed here. If you still need to download musics or albums, then go ahead, and afterwards just tick these boxes here to import them. You will see the amount of songs that you have on your device, and you can send them over to your smartwatch. If you still need to download songs, there are plenty of ways to go about doing this, which sadly I'm not going to cover for this particular video. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect music to Redmi Watch 5 Lite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.